Hey guy, welcome to my channel. If you are new to my channel, subscribe to my channel, and share this video. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can actually buy the coin before it is listed on any exchange. Just like I mentioned in my previous video. Go and watch my previous video. If you have not watched my previous video, I'll be teaching you about how to buy a new coin that is yet to be listed. After you find a new coin on any exchange like Bybit, Binance, Gate.io, Bank, all those exchanges, all those centralized exchanges, if you find out that they are going to list a coin maybe in a few days time, so how do you position yourself to buy this coin before it is listed? So that's what I'm showing you in this video. So I'm on CoinGecko app. I'm using CoinGecko app to to teach you how to do this on CoinGecko. If you don't have CoinGecko app, go and download it on Google Play Store. CoinGecko is one of those apps that you must have. If you are a crypto trader and you don't know how to use CoinGecko, go and download it, because it's a gold mine for crypto research. CoinGecko is a gold mine for crypto research. So if you have not download it, go and download it. So go and download it now. Now where I stopped in my previous video is that you have to get some info about the coin before you can actually buy the coin. So the coin I actually searched for is this coin called Night. Is this called Night? You can see. So this Night has already been listed. I'm just using it as an example. So that, okay, let's say the coin is here to be listed. So you have to get some info about the coin to know whether to know whether your money worth it. So or you to know whether it's worth your money or your investment. So you don't just buy a coin, you have to do some little bit of research. So using CoinGecko. Now look at this place. Now you can see I'm on the info page of the coin. You can see. So when you come here, it will show you some info about the coin. So I've already explained this in my previous video, that you have to look at the supply of the coin, the total supply, the circulating supply, total supply, the maximum. So you can see, I said if the supply is maybe from 1 million upward, so it's a good coin. And it is not, even if it is 1 billion, it is still a good coin. But when it's now going to maybe 100 billion or maybe 800 billion, that one, my science, that one is a signal that the coin may not give you the return on investment. Because if the coin is having more in supply, as in if the circulating supply of the coin is more, is much, so it means that it's not going to be the demand for the coin will not be what high. So as a result, the price will be low. But if the circulating supply of a coin or total supply is very limited or scarce, it means that the demand for the coin will be high, and as a result, the price will be high. So that's the factor that you should look at. Now, also look at the market cap. The market cap tells you the total amount of money that is being spent, that has been spent so far on the coin. So those are the things that you must know. Now, how do you now buy the coin? That's the purpose of this video. How do you now buy the coin? So you come here You can see that you can check the the website. You can see, you can check the website here. You can also come here to check the what Twitter, the Twitter handle of the coin, the Telegram channel of the coin. You can see, you can check their social media channel to know where you can actually buy the coin before it is listed on any of these exchanges. Let's say the coin has been listed on DEX. So let's say this, this is market. So if you come to market, you are going to find the DEX, this DEX exchanges. You can see so these are exchanges under DEX. So when a coin has been listed on DEX, you can actually what buy it from DEX. DEX means decentralized exchanges. So these are DEX. These are, let me click on that to show you. These are DEX. So let me show you DEX. You can see. So when it show up, you're going to see what I mean. So these are decentralized exchanges. These decentralized exchanges, you can see these are DEX. So you can buy it from these decentralized exchanges. But to buy from these decentralized exchanges, you can check YouTube video on how to buy from on how to buy any coin from PancakeSwap. You can see this PancakeSwap. You can buy from Uniswap. You can buy from Uniswap. So the most common DEX are PancakeSwap and Uniswap. This PancakeSwap is on BNB chain, as it is on BNB chain. Why this Uniswap is on Ethereum network. So this PancakeSwap is on BNB network. Why Uniswap is on Ethereum network. So any coin you want to buy from PancakeSwap must be under BNB network or BSC network. You can see. Why the one you want to buy from Ethereum from the Uniswap must be what under Ethereum network. So like this night now, if you come to this overview up here, you can see the contract address. You are going to need this contract address. You can see that this token is under what BSC chain, BSC network. You can see, which means that you can actually purchase this from PancakeSwap. So what you are going to do is you are just going to copy this address, this contract address of the coin. So I will show you in my subsequent video, how to actually use the contract address to buy the coin. You can so you just copy the contract address of the coin and use to buy from PancakeSwap. So and most of the coin, before they are listed on any exchanges, if you come to this CoinGecko, you are going to see the price here. If you go to DEX, you are going to see the price. So but by the time you do your primary or underneath research and find out that the coin has a good supply, the market cap is good, the trading volume is good, because this trading volume, you can see it's very, very good. You can see this $72,577,430. You can see. So these are good metrics to that this coin is doing well. So by the time you do your research and find out that the coin is doing well, so just copy the contract address and go to PancakeSwap. You can watch a video on YouTube to know how to buy from PancakeSwap. PancakeSwap. So I told you that this PancakeSwap is on what? Is on BNB chain or network. Now you can actually buy from their website. I've told you how to do that. just click on this info at the top here. So this is our website, you can see. So to come to this page, make sure you click on this info here. You can see this info. Click on this info. This is overview. Why this is markets. So you can just navigate those tab, and now you can see. So when you come to their website, you're going to see what you can see. You can check their Telegram also and Twitter to know where you can actually buy the coin. And so if you check your website, they will tell you that you can buy it, and they will tell you that you cannot buy it from there. So it depends. If they are doing their pre-sales, you should be able to buy it from their websites. Not all the coin do pre-sale, and not all the coins you can buy from the website. So some you can buy and some you cannot buy. So if I get any value from this video, subscribe to my channel and share this. So in my next video, I'm going to show you how you can actually buy using the contact address I showed the other time from PancakeSwap. So thanks for watching. Bye.